H265 test at 1080p 60 frames per second, checking really to see if this makes it any easier on video editing within the quick desktop app. Out on my 1959 BSA down by the river in Huntingdon. It's extremely bright, I can barely see anything at all. It's so much of a test of the GoPro 11 Black that I've just bought. One of my favourite spots, this, down by the river in Huntingdon. Look at that, it's just rained. And here I am. Right, Coca-Cola bottle in the pocket. GoPro's going to be powered off, and I'm going home for my din-dins.